Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily fix Bluetooth pairing problems on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. So first, what you guys want to do is go over into the settings, and in the settings you want to make sure that you restart your Bluetooth. So turn it off and turn it on. What you guys want to do next is go over and make sure that you unpair your device. So I got my device right here. We're gonna press on the information icon, click on Unpair, and now we're waiting for it to pop up in the available devices. I use AirPods 3 Pros, so I just double tap the front case. Every pairing process is different, so make sure that you find one that suits your headphones. So now they should appear right here after we click refresh. We click on them, and as you guys can see, they're pairing. So now they're back. If it's not working for you, what you guys want to do is simply restart the phone. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button. Now we're gonna swipe up to restart, and we want to restart our headphones. So I just close up the case and wait for the light here to disappear. Now this is a quick restart. Now we're waiting for the phone to turn back on, so I'll see you guys in a second once it is all done. After the restart, what you guys want to do as a last resort is go over and update your software. So you want to open up the settings. Now in the settings you want to swipe all the way down to system and update. Here you tap on software update, and you want to make sure that you're on the latest version. So as you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you updating. And that's it for the video. So I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.